Hey folks, one of the powerful things that you can do with Firefly Video is create cool visual effects. So here's how I did it. I'm inside Premiere here, and I found a frame that I want to add that effect to. I then took that image and dropped it into Firefly. Here I'm in Firefly Boards. I can use any of the different models available in Firefly, and the great thing about this is that all of the different models are in one place with the same credit system, so I don't have to have 10 different subscriptions to use different models. Here I'm using Gemini Flash 2.5. I can give it a quick prompt. Now, this is where the magic happens. Then I can switch to generate a video. And in this example, I'm going to use Adobe Firefly Video Model. I can use the eyedropper to select the original image as my first frame reference, and then the new image as my last frame reference. Then when I generate it, it'll create the animation. But once you have that, you can then download it to your computer and drop it into your Premiere project, and magic. Oh wait, so what about sound? Another way you can address this is using the new text-to-sound effects feature in Firefly. So I can drop in my video, give it a prompt for what I want. I can then use my voice to guide and cue the sound effect. Oh. And I get some sound effects. Then I can just drop it into Premiere. Now I have magic in the video. If you want to try some of this yourself, go to firefly.adobe.com where you can check out the different video models, Firefly boards, and generate sound effects.